ideal gas law problem under changing conditions. So we just need to read carefully and make sure we keep straight the 1s and the 2s. Now we're told explicitly in the problem that the pressure remains constant. That means P1 equals P2, and these values will cancel out. And we can surmise that N1 equals N2 because nothing is said about a reaction or how many moles of gas you have before or after, so it's going to be a constant value. For clarity, let's rewrite. And we see in the question we're asked to solve for the final volume. So that would be V2. We're going to cross multiply, which means V2 times T1 equals V1 times T2, as we see down here. Continuing solving for V2. We solve for V2, plug in our variables from the statement of the question. We look at the sig figs. Sig figs, we can justify 3 sig figs. Again, don't be thrown by this temperature that seems to have 2 sig figs, or this seems to have 1 sig fig, because the number we actually use in the calculation is a Kelvin temperature, and in each case, the Kelvin temperature is correctly given with 3 sig figs.